Hi, my name is Katherin. I am a footwear designer at Steve Madden. I'm from New York, and I decided to come to Arsutoria because when I went to college, I studied fashion business merchandising, and in my job, I just found that there were some struggles with figuring out design skills and how to utilize them in my position. So I did some research, and I actually did the 1-week course in Boston with Paolo from Arsutoria, and it changed the way I viewed design and skill sets. So I did further research, and I decided to sign up for the 10-week course, which is what I'm finishing right now. And so I took a leave of absence from my job to come here and basically just get all the skills needed for marrying the design background that I had and the business background and making myself a more well-rounded designer. So I learned how to CAD, I learned how to sketch, I learned all the fundamentals of shoe design. I think it was really important to get the basics in the class and then elevate them with the skills that the professors teach you as far as how to use a shoe last in terms of making a digital design or vice versa. I definitely had a lot of experience working in the industry before I did this course, so I was unsure whether it would be worthwhile to come here and learn, but it has completely made everything cohesive, well-rounded. I feel like I know all of the knowledge that you need as a designer. So you can come here with no experience in shoe design, you can come here with a lot of design experience and still get a ton out of the course and really learn how to use your skills in the industry.